guys. Ano tayo? Sugar cookies. Okay. Baking powder, guys. Vanilla, guys. Vanilla. Guys, nandito na ating cookie. Star, heart. Yung heart niya. So guys, okay na. Pwede na tayong kakain sa ating cookie, sugar cookies. Okay. That is star. Guys, ito na guys. Full of cookies, sugar cookies, star. Star. Okay. Lamig na kain ka ito na. Ato yung tilawan, ha? Ang kagub-gub, guys. Crunchy and tapos it's inside so. That's good. Okay, kain na tayo.